Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we teach you how to use Adobe Illustrator CC's line segment tool. Today, we'll be diving into the basics of this tool, so you can start creating stunning graphics with ease. The line segment tool is a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to draw straight lines in Adobe Illustrator CC. It's perfect for creating shapes, dividing your designs into sections, or even drawing intricate patterns. To access the line segment tool, simply select it from the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. You can also use the shortcut key /. To draw a line segment, simply click and drag your mouse across the artboard. Like this. You can also hold down the Shift key to draw a straight line at a perfect angle. You can adjust the line segment properties in the top toolbar. The line segment tool also allows you to adjust the properties of lines, including stroke weight, color, and style. Or you can apply the brush. You can do this by selecting line segment and adjust the properties in the top toolbar. The line segment tool is incredibly versatile, and can be used in a wide variety of designs. From simple illustrations to complex patterns, this tool is a must-have for any designer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.